Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Otter and ensuring your account is ready. Log in and confirm basic settings. Once done, decide whether to upload an existing file or record live. Choose Upload for clear recordings or Record for meetings. Make sure the microphone is selected and input levels are visible, because good input reduces errors. Also set language and enable speaker recognition if you need speaker labels. This helps Otter separate voices and speeds post-processing. Once Otter starts transcribing, watch the progress bar and listen to the audio to spot dropouts or noise, pause or re-record if needed. After the draft is ready, use the editor to correct misheard words and assign speaker labels. Click timestamps to jump to audio and confirm context. Use search and highlight to mark key lines, add inline notes, and create custom vocabulary entries so future transcriptions improve. Finally, choose Export Format and select the range you need. You finish by doing a full read-through, resolving speaker attributions, and exporting the clean transcript to the format you require. Then share it with collaborators or save it to cloud storage. If accuracy is low, add custom vocabulary entries, remove background noise, or re-record at higher quality because cleaner input yields better transcripts. If Otter stalls or fails, retry the upload, clear your browser cache, switch browsers, or use the desktop/mobile app. These steps usually resolve upload and processing hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.